Hi, this is Steve from SMR Collectibles. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of PSA. I genuinely don't know what's in here, so let's go see. Looks like we got one card. Okay, now I know what it is. It's a Luka Doncic impeccable auto stainless steel. The autograph is a 10. The card is authentic. Beautiful card. See the back? This card's numbered to 99. It's a rookie auto. Very cool card. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you like SMR Collectibles and follow our channel. Thank you.